Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Safepal Wallet app. For that, first of all, simply launch your Safepal wallet. Over here, tap on the option of buy. This is going to redirect you here on this buy and sell crypto page. Now by default, you will be shown this type of page in front of you, where in the pay section, USD will be selected. You can either select any other cryptocurrencies like INR, GBP, EUR, CAD, etc. But I would recommend you to select USD only because it will be very easy for you to make the transaction then. Now in the estimated receive section, simply tap on this drop down menu, then select Ethereum. Over here, it is going to show you the equivalent amount of Ethereum you are going to get if you spend 300 USD. You can also just simply enter your own amount, but you need to remember that the minimum received amount should be above 50 USD. Now, once you have done that, it should look something like this. Now tap on the option of buy. Now you need to have your Binance application ready. If you don't have an account on Binance, you can just use the links that are given in the description in order to get extra sign up bonuses. Now here, once you are on this page, simply tap on the option of pay with. You can pay with the help of the credit cards or the debit cards or with the help of your bank account. So after selecting it, simply tap on continue here in the bottom. Now you need to fill out your details here and press confirm. Then you need to conclude your transaction. So once your transaction is completed, you will be able to get your Ethereum in your Safepal wallet. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.